Low Voltage Breaker Section 3, MCB Essentials. The Standard Home and Office Breaker. Welcome to Section 3 of Circuit Protection Essentials. We have covered the faults, now let's meet the most common defender, the MCB, or Miniature Circuit Breaker. The workhorse of low voltage. If you open almost any modern residential or small commercial electrical panel, the MCB is what you'll see. It is the workhorse of low voltage distribution, protecting individual circuits. What miniature means? The miniature, in its name, refers to its compact size and standardized build. They are designed to be uniform, making them easy to install and replace on a DIN rail, a simple mounting track found inside distribution boards. Capacity range. These breakers are built to handle lower-end current requirements, typically rated up to about 125 amps. For context, the circuits running your standard wall outlets are often protected by a 15 amp or 20 amp MCB. Fixed protection. Unlike the larger, more complex breakers we'll see later, the MCB features a fixed thermal magnetic trip unit. This means its internal settings for overload and short circuit protection are preset by the manufacturer. Dual protection in one unit. The beauty of the MCB is its dual functionality. It uses the bimetallic strip, thermal trip, to guard against the slower heat buildup of an overload, and it uses the magnetic trip, to instantly shut down violent short circuits, protecting the final circuit. The primary role of an MCB is to protect the final branch circuits. This means the wiring and equipment connected to a specific line, such as your kitchen lights, the furnace circuit, or a block of office outlets. The single-pole design. In single-phase systems, common in many homes, MCBs are often single-pole. This means they interrupt the current only on the live wire, leaving the neutral wire untouched, which is usually sufficient for safety and protection. Reliability and compliance. Because MCBs are so standardized and mass-produced under strict rules, they offer high reliability and consistent performance. When correctly specified, they ensure your system complies with local electrical codes. Advantages over fuses. In the debate of fuses versus breakers, the MCB is the clear winner for convenience. When it trips, it gives a clear visual indication, the switch moves, and power is restored with a simple reset, eliminating the need to search for and replace parts. The importance of correct sizing. Choosing the right MCB is critical. You must ensure the breaker's ampere rating matches the wire size. The breaker is there to protect the wire from catching fire before it protects the device plugged into the wall. Up next, trip curves. While all MCBs provide dual protection, they don't all react the same way. Next, we'll explore the crucial concept of MCB trip curves, B, C, and D, learning how to choose the right sensitivity for the job.